Thank you for choosing Home Guardian Smoke Alarm Service. Home Guardian provides you with professional smoke alarm service to protect you and your home property from fire hazards. This video will introduce you to the meaning of the main sound and light alerts of smoke alarm and how to deal with them. Smoke alarms send out alert through a combination of sound and light. Generally, there are three ways. First, the alarm beeps about once every minute and the red LED light flashes, which is a low battery indicator, reminding that the battery of alarm needs to be replaced. Home Guardian offers you Emerald and Voltex alarms, both equipped with lithium batteries for 10 years of use. If the alarm sounds a battery alarm, please contact us for free a battery replacement. Second, the alarm beeps about once every minute without LED light flash, which is the alarm failure prompt, reminding that the alarm is faulty and cannot work normally. Please contact us immediately for maintenance. Third, the alarm beeps continuously and flashes with a red LED light, which is smoke alert. If there is a lot of smoke, leave the house as soon as possible and call 000. If the situation is controllable, be sure to first eliminate all fires or fire risk points in the room. When the smoke in the room dissipates, the alarm will automatically return to its normal mode. If you need to interrupt the smoke alert, you can press the hush button of the alarm, or the mute button of the alarm remote control. It will make the alarm stop and go into unsensitivity mode. This mode will last for 8 minutes. During this period, please open the windows as soon as possible to ventilate the indoor smoke. If there are multiple alarms in the house, after pressing the hush button of any alarm, all of the alarms will stop alarming within 20 seconds. Please do not press the hush button continuously or hold down the hush button. If the alarm is still beeping after 20 seconds, try pressing the down hush key again, or press another alarm's hush key. If the alarm can't be stopped through the hush button, or sounds for no reason in the absence of smoke or steam, your alarms may be faulty. Please contact us as soon as possible for maintenance. When a fire breaks out, silence is deadly. Please do not turn off or remove any alarms in the room by yourself. If your alarms have any problem, please contact us. Home Guardian Australia is committed to providing a full range of services for our clients and help you to make the work and life easier. Home Guardian Smart Camera and Home Guardian Painting is now coming.